Welcome to our tutorial on Async. Asynchronous programming is a crucial concept in modern web development, allowing us to handle concurrent tasks and improve overall performance. In this video, we'll explore the basics of Async using ES8 Plus features. In this section, we'll discuss why using Async is beneficial for our code. We'll cover the importance of asynchronous programming and how it improves performance. Let's break down the key concepts involved in Async. We'll cover promises, async functions, and await expressions. Now that we've covered the basics, let's dive into the syntax of Async. We'll explore how to use async functions and await expressions. In this section, we'll cover how to handle errors using try-catch blocks in conjunction with Async. Let's discuss some common pitfalls to avoid when using Async in our code. We'll cover topics like promise chaining and async function declarations. In this section, we'll cover best practices to keep in mind when using Async. We'll discuss topics like error handling and logging. Let's see a real-world example of how to use Async in our code. We'll build an API client using async functions. In this section, we'll visualize the workflow of Async using a graph viz diagram. In conclusion, we've covered the basics of Async using ES8 Plus features. Let's summarize the key takeaways from this tutorial. If you want to dive deeper into Async, here are some recommended resources for further learning. Thank you for watching this tutorial on Async. If you have any questions or need further clarification, please leave a comment below.